All right, so to use Pear Deck, first of all, you have to have the Pear Deck add-on. So you would come up here to add-ons, click on get add-ons, and you just go find Pear Deck. And when you do, you click install and so on. Okay. Once you do, you'll start seeing this right up here at the top of your, anytime you have Google Slides open. Now to add a question, these are already done. So I won't show you how to create one right now, but you'll notice on all of these, there's a thing at the bottom that says students write your response. What you're going to do when you're ready is click on Pear Deck right here. And right over here to the right, it'll open and you click on Start Lesson. And choose, oops, I'm sorry, Start Lesson. And choose Instructor Paste Activity. And it'll begin. It'll show them how to log in and everything. Okay, and then you run it from there and you'll see kind of what to do.